Hello, my name is Tatiana Paula Polo Ferrer. I am a student of the degree in English as a foreign language in UNAP. Today, I am going to talk about the importance of material used in teaching a second language. Looking in for the teaching materials. What should English language learning materials have? The materials that are intended for learning the English language must have a series of elements that allow the student to feel motivation and in turn develop aid of the communication skill. Second language teaching material must provide the student with security, motivation, having a remaker effect, attracting their curiosity, interesting and attention. For this reason, it is important that the materials are novel, that they have a good variety, that their content and presentation are attractive, and that in turn have a sheet change. What are the fundamental principles of second language acquisition relevant to development of language teaching materials? The fundamental principle of acquisition of second language relevant to the development of second language material are: the material must have an impact that is attractive, the learner's curiosity to learn a new language. The material must be attractive to the student and must generate intent that curiosity and interest in learning. Help students feel comfortable with what they are learning. This indicates that the students should feel comfortable with what they are learning. They should help students develop confidence and that in turn should help them. It is important that the material used for the acquisition of the second language generate in the learner the required security and at the same time be useful daily life. They should give the student the opportunity to use the language. It is necessary that the materials are practical and that they allow the student to have an accurate use of the language. They must take into account different learning styles. It is important to recording that we do not all learn in the same way. There are people who are auditory, visual, kinesthetic, etc. That is why the material must take this into account to us, not to discriminate against any student, and all of them can learn properly. They should maximize learning potential by fostering intellectual, aesthetic, and emotional engagement that stimulates both the left and right brain. For this reason, the activities must be interesting, fun, but also useful to generate meaning learning. Finally, the material should provide opportunities for feedback on the result. In other words, It allows filling those gaps that may remain during learning. Thanks for your attention.